Video 7 in the series using AutoCAD 2024 to draw a house, and in this video we will add the wall hatching and the boundary line. Just to have a preview of what the end of the drawing will look like, so we've got the boundary line between the semi-detached dwellings and the walls all hatched in grey. Let's start by creating two new layers this time. So GA boundary. And the color we'll choose is index color 10, this red, rather than the ones down here. These will print out black. So click OK, and for the thickness, let's choose 0.25. And we'll make that layer current. We'll create another layer and call it GA hatch. Color for this we'll make index color 252, a grey color. Again, that will print out the correct color, and let's not make that current just at this stage. So we'll draw a line midway between the 2 points here, down, and let's just, maybe the easiest thing to do is offset by 1000 millimeters from the front and back of the dwelling, like so. We can delete these temporary lines, and then let's add a new line type. So click load, and we'll choose this dash line here. Actually, it's maybe best to choose one with a varied length in the dashes, just for the boundary line. And then we need to make sure that is attached. Let's zoom in to see what that looks like. So that's a very small scale to that line type. Let's go to properties and choose different size. Let's try 50. It's maybe a little large. Sometimes it is trial and error with these things. Let's try 30. Okay, that looks a bit more acceptable. And then let's copy that over from one plan to the other. That's the boundary line added. You could add text to clarify that that's what the line is, but I guess it's not a massive issue with this particular drawing. So I've changed over to the hatch layer now, and we can simply click on the hatch tool, make sure that we use the solid hatch, and it has adapted the ribbon just with this extra tab here. The hatch ribbon section doesn't normally show, it's only when you click the hatch tool, and we can simply go around and click on the different areas that we need this hatch to be inserted. Sometimes there can be a little bit of a problem just if you haven't drawn the wall spacing and so on accurately, or there's a big gap. Sometimes that can cause a problem, but in this case that is the wall hatching added, and the boundary line is also clearly there.